In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion product development hub. We're going to create a clear, organized workspace in Notion that brings all of your product development work into one central place. The goal here is to make it easier for your team to plan features, manage tasks, keep documentation accessible, and stay aligned throughout the entire product process. Start by creating one main page that will serve as your product development hub. Think of this as the home base for everything related to product work. Instead of spreading information across different pages and tools, this hub gives your team one central location to check progress, find updates, and access important materials. A clean main page also makes it much easier to onboard new team members and maintain consistency over time. Next, add a roadmap database to track features, releases, and priorities. This database should help you see the bigger picture of what's being built and when. Your roadmap acts as a planning layer for the product, giving visibility into upcoming work and helping the team focus on what matters most. Be sure the structure is easy to scan so priorities and release timing are immediately clear. After that, create a task database for the day-to-day execution work. This is where you'll manage design, development, testing, and launch tasks. While the roadmap shows strategic direction, the task database supports the detailed work required to move ideas forward. Keeping these tasks in one place makes it easier to track progress, coordinate handoffs, and ensure nothing important gets missed during delivery. Once the task database is ready, add fields for owners, status, deadlines, and priority. These details are essential for accountability and visibility. Owners make it clear who is responsible. Status shows where work stands. Deadlines help the team stay on schedule. And priority ensures the most important tasks get attention first. When these fields are used consistently, your workspace becomes much more actionable and easier to manage. Then use the hub to store supporting documentation, such as product specs, meeting notes, and research. This keeps context close to the work itself, which is incredibly useful during planning and execution. Instead of searching through separate documents or chat threads, the team can quickly reference the information they need right inside the hub. Next, create views for the roadmap, active tasks, completed tasks, and blocked items. Different views help different people focus on what's most relevant to them. For example, active tasks help with execution, completed tasks show progress, and blocked items highlight where attention is needed. Finally, update the hub regularly so the team stays aligned. A product workspace only stays useful if it reflects current reality. Consistent updates help everyone make better decisions, reduce confusion, and keep product development moving forward smoothly.